Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a very exciting video. I will be doing an unboxing and a little haul from Vegas. So before I start, I know not all of you guys are into this type of video. I know some of you guys are not into luxury brands or shopping or haul videos, which is I totally understand. If you want to skip this video, it's fine. I would recommend the other videos that I do in my channel, such as travel vlogs, daily vlog, reviews, and home organization. If you want to check it out, that would be great. And for those of you guys that enjoy this type of video, and if you're a bag lover, and if you love haul videos, and if you enjoy it like me, so yeah, I hope that you enjoy this video. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing, and then after I will show you what I got, what are the other items that I got from Vegas. So let's go straight to the unboxing. It comes with this large paper bag. So this bag is a gift for me, and this will be my first luxury bag for 2020. And so inside it comes with a box, and as you can see, you might be asking, where is the ribbon? So I honestly opened this already because I was very excited. I couldn't wait. So yeah, here is the ribbon. It comes with it too. It's a blue ribbon, and I'm excited to show you guys what's inside. Let's open this up. So inside there is a envelope that has the receipt. So this item, it's a Graceful MM, by the way. So this item is $14.40, and that's before tax. And it also comes with the number of the SA, or the client advisor. So I'll just keep it here in the box. So here's what it looks like inside. So it comes with a dust bag. I'm excited. So here it is. It's the Graceful MM. This is a Graceful MM in, I don't know how to pronounce it correctly. I think Pivoine. It's like a fuchsia pink inside. It's currently sold out on the website when I looked it up, but they have it available at the store in Vegas. So I was like, oh my god, I was very excited. But anyway, I was debating if I should get the Neverfull or the Graceful MM. For me, I think that Neverfull has more room maybe, and that it can hold more heavier stuff because of the thick handle. So look how beautiful it is. It's like a hobo bag. So pretty. So yeah, this is my first luxury bag for this year. This is made in USA. There's a tag here inside that says it is made in the US, and there's a large zipper inside. Look how much space you get inside. I love the size. So I'm gonna try to put it on my shoulder so you guys can have an idea how it looks like. It's pretty. And it comes with this tag, and the SA told me that they can print the initial here, but I didn't do it at that time because I had to come back the next day, which is I can't do it. We're leaving the next day. So what she suggested me is to go to the nearest branch I have in my location and just bring the tag. I don't need to bring the whole bag. I can just bring the tag and they can have it printed at the store. So I love it. And here are the other items that I bought from Vegas. So we went to Coca-Cola and I picked up a few things from there. So you know I love tumblers and cups, something like that. So I picked up this tumbler. It looks like, I don't know if you guys can see, it looks like it has a bottle upside down. And this one is insulated, hot and cold. Okay. The next item that I picked up is this, another tumbler. It looks like para siyang yung Coke in can. Slide to open. It's kind of hard to pull it. There you go. And the last one I picked up from the Coca-Cola store is this shaker. It's pepper and salt shaker. It looks very classic. That's why I get it. So yeah, I went to different stores too. And we also went to M&M store and I picked up this notebook, spiral notebook. I think it's cute. I also went to this store, but they have like cool, funny stuff inside. Plate. This is for Violet. It's food face. So yeah, para ganahan siyang kumain. Then I can put like fruits here. Parang I'll be creative, and then she'll be motivated to eat the food. And here's to the other ideas that they showed. Baka mabasag. Oh, masyado siyang madikit pa. Ayan siya. So the lady in the picture here is bald. So I have to be creative, like put vegetables somewhere there or fruits there. She'll be excited to eat more meal. I picked up from the same store is this mug. I love mugs. And this one is really cool and unique. This is $12. Because you can put a cookie in this little pocket at the front. I don't really feel that it's safe for my kid to use this at the moment because she is clumsy, plus this is a glass. So I don't think it's advisable for her to use it yet. She's only 7 years old and no. So here's what it looked like. I can put the cookie here while drinking coffee or milk. I don't really drink milk, but, but I drink coffee. So yeah. Really cute panda. So I went to a souvenir store and I got my kid this pen. Got my daughter this pen. Umiilaw siya. It's changing color. And it has like a water inside, rainbow color. I think it's really pretty. So yeah, this is for her and this is for me. Las Vegas pen. Ooh, wait, it doesn't focus. This says drive carefully, come back soon at the back. And it's in rose gold color. I don't know if you can see better the color. I don't know if my camera can justify the color of this, but this is real pretty. And this was, I cannot remember, I think like $5. And then I also picked up a pink shirt, souvenir shirt that has a Las Vegas sign printed on it. So I think this was $10.99. So yeah. So that's all I got. That's all I got from Vegas. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it, guys, and see you on my next haul videos. Bye-bye.